love these Connecticut streets.
Turn right on Cliffdale Road.
Okay.
In 1.1 miles, turn right on King Street.
Wow, these people are fucking loaded. The rolling hills. The house to the right of us, of me. Read my texts.
You have 2 new messages from Samantha. Me too, baby. Me too. Are you okay? Would you like to reply?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yes, sweetheart, I'm fine. I'm in somewhere in the middle of Greenwich in a really, really, really wealthy area, and I'm trying to get home. And I'm videoing it for you because you have to see where I am. The roads are bananas.
Ready to send it?
Yes.
I'll send it.
Where the fuck am I? These people are so loaded over here. I was saying the house that I passed before was so far up from where the entrance was. It was like at the top of the hill or something. I can't believe Waze is taking me this way. Ooh. A fucking wooden bridge. A wooden bridge. Are you kidding me? Golf carts crossing, beware. Wild golf carts, I've never seen that sign before. Look at that, wild golf cart crossing. Golf cart crossing.
In 1,000 feet, turn right.
Oh my god, these people are loaded.
Turn right on King Street.
Read my texts.
You have a new message from Samantha. Oh, okay. I've been looking at your whereabouts and you've been in the same area for 15 minutes. I got worried. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I dropped these people off. I picked these people up in Portchester at the Mexican restaurant that they said was absolutely amazing, so we should try it. And then I took them to this really snooty area of Greenwich, and then 2 seconds after I dropped them off, one of them decided they wanted to go home, and so I ended up getting called by them again, and I took the girl to her car. She takes care of horses, or she runs a company that takes care of horses. Amazing, and very nice people, but very drunk and annoying. I'm glad they're gone.
Ready to send it?
Yes.
I'll send your message.
In 1,000 feet, turn left. Then turn left.
my wife a text.
What do you want to say?
I don't know where I am, but apparently I'm only 15 minutes away, so I'm coming home now.
Ready to send it?
Yes.
Then turn left on New York. Turn left on New York 120. In a quarter of a mile, turn right to I-684 south.
Send my wife a text.
What do you want to say?
Somehow I'm by Westchester Airport right now, so I know where I am now.
Ready to send it?
Yes.